model, 65 plate Ford Transit Custom Limited Factory Crew Cab Non-Runner Engine No Vat. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 175,185. MOT, the 12th of January 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2155 PS TDCI-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover. Engine has seized. Definitely worth repairing. Top spec factory crew cab fitted van. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, sat nav, cruise control, alloy wheels, air